Welcome back to SAP Step by Step. In today's video, we'll explore route determination in sales orders. What is a route? A route represents the physical and logistical path that goods take from the shipping point to the customer's location. It plays a crucial role in determining delivery scheduling. How is the route determined in sales order? When we create a sales order, SAP determines the route based on four main elements. 1. Departure country and transportation zone. The departure country is the country from which goods are shipped. The transportation zone groups regions within a country that share similar transportation characteristics. For example, metro, rural, remote areas. These are assigned to the shipping point and help determine the starting point for route planning. 2. Destination country and transportation zone. The destination country is the country where the customer is located and where the goods will be delivered. The transportation zone represents the customer's delivery region, like a geographic zone or postal area. 3. Shipping condition. A shipping condition defines how goods should be shipped. For example, normal delivery, express delivery, same-day delivery. Or transportation group. Transportation group classifies materials based on their transportation requirements. For example, bulky goods, hazardous materials, standard goods. Where are departure country, destination country, shipping condition, and transportation group maintained in SAP? Let's understand where each of these elements is maintained in the SAP system. 1. Departure country, transportation zone. This is maintained in the shipping point configuration. 2. Destination country, transportation zone. This is maintained in the customer master under General Data, Address tab. Shipping condition. This is maintained in the customer master under Sales Area Data, Shipping tab. 4. Transportation group. This is maintained in the Material Master under Sales, General, Plant View. Route determination rules. To set route determination, we use the transaction code 0VRF. In T-code 0VRF, assign departure country and transportation zone, destination country and transportation zone, shipping condition, transportation group to a specific route. SAP uses this logic during order creation to automatically determine the most appropriate route for delivery. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SAP Step by Step for more SAP tutorials.